Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. We'll follow up on that instant replacement for a missing lock-on. So I've used those two spade connectors, as you see. I've crimped them onto an old lamp cord, inserted them in the bottom of the track, and then just bent them over. As you see, this actually works quite well. So what I'm going to do is I've connected this to a transformer. I'm going to pull out a piece of track, and we're going to power this rail using this lock-on that we just made from those spade connectors. Okay, so now we'll power the rail from that. So let me pull the camera off the tripod. All right, I've got it connected to the DC 1033 output. It's just easier that way. So as you see, that rail is installed. So let's see how this goes. Zoom, zoom, no problem at all. That's a 2025 pulling, I think, 15, 16 cars. So powering the rail with that, those two spade connectors plugged into the bottom of that American Flyer straight. As you see, this runs absolutely perfectly. No problem at all. So if you don't have a lock-on, it's a really, really simple expedient, and you don't have to solder anything. You basically just squeeze those spade connectors under the end of the wire with a pair of pliers. As you see, it gets you up and running. Without a lock-on, you're sunk. You got to have some way to apply power to the rail. So, in any case, I just want to do a follow-up video on this. It works. It's really inexpensive. It's really simple. And best of all, it doesn't require any soldering or actually any tools at all other than a pair of pliers. And you just basically stick this into the bottom of the rail. As you see, bend them over, and just make sure you get a good connection when you crimp those connectors. I just used a big pair of pliers. And you're basically just crushing them. Anyway, as you see, an old lamp cord, stick it into these connectors, crimp it, bend them over, and you have an instant way to connect your power directly to your rail. It's simple, it works really well. This will last virtually forever. It's probably as good as a soldered connection on clean track. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It works. It's really, really simple. It's really, really cheap, and it gets you up and running instantly if you don't have a lock on, and you don't have to solder anything. That's the neat thing about it. Plug them in the bottom, crimp your wires, bend them over, and you're up and running, as you saw. Anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.